Hello, you're watching Fabrico and today we're going to present a new pattern. We have designed a fitted midi dress Barbara with an open back. Barbara features pieces of the bodice tied at the neck with a bow. The back has a cut in the middle seam at the bottom and an invisible zipper. For this dress we suggest to use satin, silk or stretchy dress fabrics. You can visit our website following the link below and load the pattern. Let's get sewing! We will need the fabric, an invisible zipper and two types of interfacing. Pattern pieces already include seam allowances. We decided to start with the facings and also we need to interface the edges before sewing in the zipper. Then we interface the cut of the lower back. We can begin to sew the dress top now. Stitch the darts of the front facing in the bodice. Make folds on the pieces of the bodice aligned to the notches. Sew the front facing of the bodice facing up the pieces. Search the neckline and the armholes. Press the pieces on the right side, leaving the each stitches unpressed. Stitch along the waistline. To sew the bottom of the dress, we are stitching the darts of the lower front of the bodice beginning from the notch. Then we are going to sew the hem, interface the seam allowances and overlock the central seams. Then we should stitch and press the darts to the center of the back, stitch the middle seam of the lower back, beginning from the zipper notch and finishing at the cut notch, and sew the hem of the lower back. The next step is stitching the zipper. Pin and stitch the lower pieces together facing up. Overlock and press the seam allowances to the back. After the facings are done, stitch the side seams, then press the seam allowances. Overlock the lower edge of the facing. Stitch the face into the zipper allowance and press it. Then pin the bodice to the lower part, aligning into the notches and stitch it. Place the pieces with the facing right sides together along the waistline and insert it. Turn the facing inside out and top stitch it. Then we are going to overlock the bottom of the dress. Stitch and press the hem's corners, top stitch the cut, top stitch the hem, and give the garment a final press. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like.